could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish.
Target. I didn't bring my vlogging camera with me, so I didn't get to vlog, but I'm gonna do a quick Target haul. Although this is mostly like girl things, so if you're like iffy about that, then just, you know, skip through this part. I did get one food item. I got some bacon because I've been craving bacon for so long now. This one is cute. I got this one for my mom. It's a little coffee cup, like a coffee tumbler, and I just really like the design on it. So this is for her. Got some Midol, you know the deal. Summer's Eve wipes. I also got this Riel heating patch. I used this when I went to San Jose, and it literally helped me so much with my cramps. And then I got two things here that are just for down there. I went to L&L because I was craving chicken katsu, and I've only really had L&L in LA. I got some Spam musubi, yummy. I got myself tonkatsu with macaroni. And I also wanted to try their barbecue chicken. So there we go. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that little haul. I want to go ahead and eat so I can take my vitamins, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Happy Sunday. So as you saw, I just finished taking a quick shower. I did some laundry. I also just straightened my hair because I don't know, I just felt like straightening my hair today. I honestly don't know what I have planned for the day, to be quite honest with you. I just felt like getting ready and taking my time, so that's what I did. And even though on Sundays I like to just, you know, kind of just chill at home and like do my chores and whatnot, there's a joy that I find in getting ready on Sunday. I feel like it just kind of sets my week. There's no specific reason as to why I'm honestly getting ready right now. I just felt like doing so, and that's what we're doing. And right now I'm currently just putting back a little bit of oil, put my lotion, currently use Lubriderm. But it's such a nice day out today, so I might honestly like hit up the beach again, because why not? Yep, meet my little friend. At first I was freaking out, but they actually turned out to be really nice, and they don't hurt you, and they also eat bugs in the house. So say hi to my friend. And yeah, we got a tan going on. Look at that. That's great. That's awesome. Love that for me. Hi guys, so right now I'm currently on my way to the poke aisle at Second Save because I'm gonna get some poke for the beach, and it's a long line.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm not just another one of them nice guys. Open up your clouds to blue skies. It feels right. Brown eyes, something just tells me that they don't lie. Looking for a girl that's my ride or die. Think you'd be the one, don't know why. Just feels right. Oh, I got so many things to say to you. I wanna be the one to make it move. And if you can't decide, I can change your mind.